Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy gummy candy. First, gather all your ingredients, including unflavored gelatin, your favorite fruit juice, and a spicy powder like cayenne or chili. You'll also need gummy molds and a small saucepan. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring a fun and flavorful result. Get ready to create a unique treat with a delightful kick that everyone will enjoy. To begin, bloom 4 packets of unflavored gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water for about 5 minutes. While that's setting, gently heat 1 cup of your chosen fruit juice in a small saucepan over low heat. Remember, we're aiming for warm, not boiling. Once the gelatin is bloomed, add it to the warm juice, stirring continuously until it completely dissolves. This creates the smooth, foundational base for your delicious gummies. Now for the exciting part, adding the spice. Remove your gelatin mixture from the heat. Stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen spicy powder, such as cayenne pepper or chili powder. Taste a tiny bit to adjust the heat to your liking. You can always add more. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your prepared gummy molds. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to set. Once your molds are filled, place them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the gummies are completely firm. This chilling process is crucial for them to set properly. After they've firmed up, gently pop your spicy gummy candies out of their molds. They are now ready to enjoy. Store any leftover gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.